Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to create a Shopify product slider. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So we have many ways to do it, but the most recommended method is going to be simply installing an integration for this specific task, since it is going to be make it look much more organic. Head over to your search bar and search in there for Shopify. I'm going to search in here and just wait for a couple of seconds. So I'm going to be searching in here for Shopify product slider, and you need to search in for Shopify App Store. So you can see that we have this easy display, right? And we need to install this applications, and it is going to be providing us this very nice sliding features. So you can see we have carousels and different gallery options, so you can make them look like this as well. And this is the most recommended method that I suggest, so make sure to give it a try, and if you have any questions you can feel free to let us know. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.